For this problem, we're looking at a mass m equals 2 kilograms, goes up to 30 degrees inclined plane. AB, point A, VA equals to 2 meters per second. The mass goes up and returns to point A with V equals to 1.1 meters per second. Find the work done by the friction force up to the plane. So to start this off, we're doing again this one. Work net is equal to displacement of kinetic energy. Okay? And then we could see here that we could do work friction, right? Working against friction this time. And this plus work mg will give us total ke, right? These are our negatives. Then once we plug it in, we can figure out that work friction, right? Hold on, let me see this. We know that work friction, I'll put WF just for now, is equal to 1/2 m 1 that we said earlier squared minus 1/2 m 2 squared, and then it's going to be minus 0 because that's the work done by the weight, which would be 0, right? So we put 0 at the end here, 0 here. And then it says after calculating the work done by the friction will be negative 3.79 joules. So that's like the force you have to overcome to be able to do that. Okay? So that's our first answer for A. Now, let's continue on to B. B says if UK equals to 0,3 to F1 of UKN, what distance can travel the mass until it hits velocity of 0? So if we were to work this out, right, which might be a little lengthier, right, we could figure out the full body diagram like this, and we say that it's going to be mg sine up here, sine theta, and then here is going to be mg negative, right? Mg is negative, that's the arrow, and then this plane here is going to be mg cosine. And then we can figure out the normal force by mg times work times time, no, times b, I'm so sorry, not times, it's mg cosine theta. That's the normal force. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so this is going to be the normal force that'll help us with our equation. So if we were to put this out into, we try working this problem out, we can do this right now. So let's go back to delta S, right, is equal to, go here, we go, it's mg, right, mg sine, but in this case, I'm just going to write it out. So it's 2 times 10 times 1/2. So this first part here is going to be mg sine, and then the next part is going to be mg cosine theta, which is just going to be 0 times 3 times 10 times the pop to like this. And if we were to work this problem out, we'll eventually be left with 4 over 12.6, right? Then we do the division, and we're left with 0.317 meters. So that would be for answer B.